These guys sent me this garden solar light for an unboxing review. This is so cool. I'm so excited about these. There's 4 of them, and each one of these is a little light. And we'll go ahead and assemble this, and I'll show you how it looks, and then show you how it looks at night too. During the day, the solar panel converts solar power into the rechargeable battery, and at night it turns on automatically from the stored energy. And the working time of the lights depends on your geographical location, weather, and seasonal light availability. Ideally, you want to choose an outdoor location with full direct sunshine where the solar panel can, these little solar panels, that way they can get at least 6 hours of sunshine each day. A shady location will shorten the working time of the lights at night. And you want to keep them away from other bright lights because it'll make this thing think that the sun's out, the panel, and then these things won't turn on. Right, for first time use on these, the back of this has an on-off switch here. See that? So we'll go ahead and turn these on. Do all 4 of them, and then take the cover off of this panel there. The panel here is connected to the light cluster, and you can just kind of fold it down to put it in the best position possible to receive the most amount of sunlight and still look good too. Go ahead and take that clear plastic cover off of each one too. Okay, I've got each one unfolded and the covers off of each panel as well. Now these spikes here, they just go right in the bottom of this. That way, this will allow you to stick it into the ground. You just slide right up in there. That's how it's gonna sit in the ground. So unique too. That's neat. Go ahead and do the same with all 4. Another thing you want to do is make sure that this panel stays clean. You know, a lot of times when you're mowing the lawn or doing yard work, it'll get a layer of dust and dirt on that panel. So you want to keep that thing wiped down and as clean as possible for maximum efficiency. Right, I don't know exactly where I'm going to put these things, but I'll put them here for a little demo and just try them out and see how it looks in this pumpkin patch here. I want this thing to get sun during the day, so we'll just try this here. But I'll move them around and show some different locations, I think, and figure out exactly where they look the best. But one of the features you can do is just kind of bend them around to where you want them, and they'll spread. That way they're not all stuck in that cluster. You can spread them out this way, spread some out that way. I want to kind of bring them together a little bit, but you got lots of options there.